about 15 seconds. Showed a 10 pip spread on the EuroCAD. It just spread out to 16 pips on a pass on the EuroCAD. Alright, so we got a short bias on the EuroCAD. Let me go through all these numbers. We got a short bias on the EuroCAD, and we got a long bias on the US. So the pound dollar is going to be long biased. Didn't hit our triggers on the US data. Just missed our triggers on the Canadian data. So right now we pretty much have a no trade on these two. This was our secondary, our confirmation. We've got a little bit of a revision that's conflicting. Doesn't seem to be affecting the market too much. However, as you can see, we're not getting much of a sustained move out of the pound. So the pound's not really giving us a sustained move yet. For one, we didn't hit our triggers on the core number, and for two, we got a little bit of a revision. As you can see, the EuroCAD is striking the 72, which isn't much of a move. Again, it didn't hit our triggers. If you are in this, though, you may want to hang tight. It's breaking through the 72 level. As I said, I turned off the EuroCAD because of the spread. So as of now, if you happen to get in one of these, for instance, if you're in the US trade, you might want to take a little bit of profit just because we do have some conflicting data. On the EuroCAD, it's kind of the same situation. We're at a target. We did break the support, which is a good sign. As you can see, this was a former low. We broke that former low. That's a good sign of continuation, meaning we may reach the 63 level, so even further down. So on the EuroCAD, I would hold out. On the pound dollar, like I said just a few seconds ago, I would suggest closing some of your trade on the US if you happen to be in this. Obviously, I'm not sure where everybody stands on this. If you got in at this point, go ahead and let me know where you're in at. These are always a little more difficult to manage, simply because there's so much stuff going on all at once. But again, the US data, nothing hit our triggers solid across the board. We may have some individuals, though, that got in on the US data and possibly the Canadian data as well. So let me know on the CAD. It looks like 90s on the CAD, the EuroCAD. One person got an 86, 86, 90. So everyone's showing decent profits on the EuroCAD. How about the US data? Did anyone trade the US data? Yeah, it looks like most of the people that are in on the EuroCAD. Let's see, had 50 people use 0.2, 4 people use 0.3, so got over 50 people that got the signal to trade this. That's, at this point, some may have already turned off their auto-click. So looks like most people got in at 89, 86, 86, 86, 84. One person did get in the pound at 46, which is about where the market's at now. Again, is about where the market's at now, and it's pushing up, so I would hold out at this point. If it breaks these highs, that's definitely going to be a good thing for you. Alright, the EuroCAD's kind of hitting that level. Remember we talked about how support becomes resistance. It's broken below it, and now you see it's come back up, and it's this level of resistance. It's pushing it back down. So what we're hoping for is that this level will hold and keep the market down, and we'll get a continuation. That's great. So we've got one person that picked up 40 pips on the CAD and 20 pips on the pound, so that's good to see. Good to see. That pound, looks like that pound actually continued long. So for those of you that kept your stop down here, looks like we came off of our first target of 46, found support at this 33 level, and then took back off. So it looks like it was an all-around great trade. Looks like those that got in the pound made money, and those that got in the CAD made money. So it was a good morning, guys. A really good morning. Even though it didn't hit our triggers, for those that didn't get in, we didn't lose anything, and for the majority of the people that got in, they made money. So again, another successful day in my eyes.